Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know what day it is, but we're in Cannon Beach. We had a great day yesterday. So we are heading to go explore it this morning. Our Airbnb tonight is in Portland, but Portland is kind of crazy right now, so we're going to take as much time as we can in Cannon Beach and pretty much just show up, get some ice cream, and fall asleep. So we didn't really get to show you guys the sunset or anything yesterday because it was completely cloudy. And it's kind of dreary today, but maybe we'll get a little luckier and we can actually see out in the ocean. All right, let's go explore. All right, so we went and explored a little bit of downtown. Little tidbit for you. Go to Sea Level Bakery and Coffee. I don't know if that's the exact name. Just look up Sea Level. Delicious quiche. It's really good. We have to check out by 12. So we started a little later and it is 11:36. So we gotta pack up, but we're gonna go back. So tear down the RV, drive back, and then we'll get to the beach. I promise you I'm going to show you the beach. Pull the lever, Crunk! How is it, Kels?
Great.
It's a bad one today.
Yeah.
The sexy things of RVing said no one ever.
People, so we are on our way out of Cannon Beach. We saw Haystack Rock. It's really like hazy, but it's absolutely beautiful. We had a good time. It was short, sweet. I would love to stay here for like an extended period of time, so maybe next time. But that's the end of our Cannon Beach time. Anything to add?
We're heading out now. Not sure what we're gonna do. Probably spend a little bit more time here. Just cause Portland is kind of a madhouse right now, so we're trying to stall as much as we can. And then we'll make our way to our Airbnb. I'm gonna wrangle my dog. This was his first time at the beach, by the way, so he's very excited. Well, and sometimes you just get screwed. We finished walking around, got all the dogs and everything cleaned up, and now look how clear it is. So we tried to go to the state park, but it's only open for residents, whatever that means. So we found a kind of like a lookout spot. So we're climbing through all these bushes to see if we can get you guys a couple of good shots on the lookout. So stay tuned. So that right there is ECola State Park, which is what we wanted to go up to. So you can actually go up to the top and then you can view down onto Haystack Rock and all the other things. But you get all of those rocks in the same shot. But that's okay. Like Kelsey said, it's a good reason to come back, right, babe?
Yep, we're coming back.
Yeah, we really like this area. It's really pretty, and there's a lot to do, and it's got like a super small town vibe to it, which is kind of up our alley. We really like that when we're traveling, just because you feel like you really get to know the state and the area really well. Cities are really cool too, but for us, like, we like these small towns, Jackson Hole, Aspen, things like that. So if you have an opportunity to come to Cannon Beach, you definitely want to do it. Totally worth it. And if you're looking for a little quieter, less people, go to the right over more towards ECola State on the beach side, this side, because there's a lot less people. If you go on this side over by Haystack Rock, you're gonna have a lot more people. So a little insider tip for you. All right. So I need to apologize to you guys because I wasn't really thinking. I didn't think we'd have as much time as we did, like eating our way through this town. I would have totally done a top.
Yeah.
Of best food.
We've eaten some good food here so far.
Food's
We've
really
had
good.
three places that have been pretty stinking delicious.
We went to a bakery. We went to a coffee place.
The place last night?
Went to a nice restaurant, sit-down restaurant, and then we just went to a fish and chips place. That was good.
It was all delicious.
So I failed
I'm not
you.
even in the shot.
I apologize. You're in it.
Now.
I failed you.
We did. So
But
this just means we have to come back.
Exactly.
And do another video.
And I'll make sure to get you guys. But if you want to know some of the places we stopped, you can just message us and we'll send them to you so you have them.
Cannon Beach is a must and it's worth it.
Yeah, so we just got some more stickers and shirt, and now we're going to head out, make our way to Portland, outside of it.
Yay.
And continue the journey. Start making our way back home, but stopping at cool places along
We still
the way.
have like 10 days left, so.
Yeah, so.
Right? 10?
I think so, at least, something like that. So still plenty of fun things to come. Let's drive. After a fantastic, relaxing day in Cannon Beach on the coast of Oregon, it was time to move on and head to our next destination. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a big like on the video, and let us know if you've ever had a good experience at Cannon Beach. We'd love to hear it. Peace out, journeyers.